Strongly bullish VEON stock is on the move in this regular session of today, the 19th of September 2023. Has gained over 18%. And we have the news behind this rally. The news is that he has finalized the agreement for the sale of its Russian operations, and that has been in place since November of last year. So the company entered into amendments to the sale and purchase agreement in connection with the sale of its Russian operations. The amendments, which don't materially impact the economic terms of the original deal announced in November of last year, were entered into with a buyer owned by certain executives of PJSC Vimpelcom. The company indicated that with the amendments, the entire consideration for the sale will be satisfied by transferring the VEON Holdings bonds acquired by PJSC Vimpelcom to a unit of VEON Holdings, which will hold such notes until their cancellation or maturity. So that's amongst other things that is behind this rally. So we have there's nothing very much, not very active. It's not very active on this. Going by what's going on the other books, and we can see only 67,218 shares have crossed the tape. There has to be a case of poor liquidity as well. We can see the spread between the ask and the bid, a further validation of that liquidity issue. Only a very small number of shares it's only a very small number of shares that are behind this 18.55% we are looking at right now. And the stock has been showing strength since we covered this stock. That was right about the first time they mentioned something concerning that deal. The stock was trading around $1 thereabout, approaching $1 there. But I think they did a reverse maybe they did a reverse split or something like that, because we can't seem to find the price we saw as of last year November. So the reverse split may have taken place. But even at that, market participants have responded positively, whether there was a reverse split or not, whether politically or not. They have taken to the stock quite positively. It's just of late that it began to. It reached, I think, this has to be the peak of this session as of 12th of June. It had a double top, which is confirmed by the stock retracing all the way below its 20 and 50 period moving averages, 20 and 50 day moving averages, and since declined. So we are seeing a resurgence from VEON stock. We have upper projections on this one-day chart of 22.27, but there are also downward projections, 18.41 all the way down to $8.21, and let's see so this news we are looking at right now isn't just the reason behind it has been showing strength before now. So I want to presume that maybe it might continue to do so, but with this sort of gain, it's 17.6% now. There's a good chance it might pull back a bit or consolidate, move sideways, one of those. But we have projections here, linear regressions of predicting the direction of its 10-day moving average, and it's a bullish one. It's predicting the sideways movement up till sideways movement of its 10-period moving average up till Monday the 18th of September, and after that by Thursday the 21st, which is about a week from today, it's expected to approach this Fibonacci projection of 18.33. At least the price is expected to be above, or rather approaching those sort of levels. The 10-day moving average is also projected to be also close to $18.33. I think I might be able to get a price for that, maybe $18.02. 22.19 is the most upper projection. we haven't seen anything that is indicating that it might get there, but who says it can't get there? 22.19, has it ever been at those sort of level? 22.19. okay, 21.08 has actually done that before, as of I think mid June. So let's look at the weekly chart and see what the projections are saying there on the weekly chart. On the weekly chart, we have even higher projections all the way towards 38.54, and before that there is 29.85. Before that there is 26.48, and then, but unfortunately the projections on this 1 week chart is not indicating anything like for the moving averages, anything like what we saw on the one daily chart. Obviously, because this is a weekly chart, this prints every week, so it prints every week, so it's a different chart altogether, and the daily chart prints every day. So the daily chart, the chart on there are bullish expectations on the daily chart, at least for the very short term. But on the weekly chart, it's not very much. It's not bullish at all. It's not bullish at all. But this does not mean that will be what will happen. See what you make of VEON stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.